Quick video here. We got a trane package unit, fairly new. Here to do a PM that just got here. Inducer running with no flame. Not yet, at least. We'll give her a minute and see. It's not firing for some reason. So our flame's going to start over here with our spark probe, and then should continue across to our flame sensor. I don't have a lockout currently on the board. This is the newer of the two units. Yeah, there she goes. She's gonna lock out soon. You saw that flame stopped with that first burner. So there's gonna be something in between those two that's not allowing that flame to go through. So we're gonna have to pull these burners out and clean them. The blower sounded good when it started. Still no lockout code. Yeah. That's what's going on. There's our lockout code coming. Okay, maybe not. I don't know what that rapid flash was, but she's gonna keep trying. We'll get this guy cleaned up is all it needs. Everything else looks alright. You see this a lot on these. It's trying. I had to take the burners out. So y'all, let's see if we can get it going here in a second. Just a little spider web, cobweb inside of there. You can see some of the cobwebs that we've got. Those spiders like to get down inside there over the summer and make a little nest. But we're gonna tear it apart and see what we can do. Just get these cleaned out, they'll be alright. Alright, so we got the burners tore out here. I don't see anything in here that was blocking my flow. I can see a little bit of rust. We're gonna just use a wire brush on the tops of all these and then blow them out, brush them off, make sure everything's good, but we're gonna have to pull all of our orifices out. So I pulled the first one here. This is the burner that wasn't lighting. And you can see spiders got in there and made himself a little home. So we'll pull all these out, clean them up. We just used a emery cloth type deal here, cleaned our flame sensor and our spark igniter, and then we'll go from there. That'll be all right. This is a common problem. We'll get them cleaned up and that'll be okay. So we got all our burners back in, got her section cleaned up. See how she does now. Like I said, this is just a quick video. I didn't plan on making. I just showed up to do a PM, and it's the first thing I found. Let's see how she fires this time. She ought to do a whole lot better. I just found, yeah, there she goes. It was just the one orifice that had to be plugged up. I think I'm gonna go through and do the rest of my PM stuff. We're gonna get filter changed, and we got an old guy over there that I'm sure needs a little attention. So smash that like button, and we'll see y'all on the next one.